Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this video, we learn how to disable Next Previous Item navigation on article detail page. Log into the backend. Go to Configuration and then Cache Performance. Click on Cache Performance submenu. Go to Setting tab, click on Various inside General subcategory. Check to the Disable Item navigation on detail page. Click Save. Go to Configuration and then Cache Performance. Click Select All, then click Clear and start process. Go to Shop. Refresh the page to see the changes. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.